Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the breathtaking beauty of Canada, exploring the top 10 most picturesque villages that capture the essence of this vast and diverse country. From stunning landscapes to charming architecture, these hidden gems are perfect for anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. So, grab your travel gear and let's embark on this enchanting journey through Canada's most beautiful villages. First on our list is Banff, nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies in Alberta. This village is renowned for its stunning mountain vistas, turquoise lakes, and abundant wildlife. Surrounded by towering peaks, Banff exudes a charming alpine atmosphere, with its quaint streets lined with boutique shops, cozy cafes, and local art galleries. The iconic Banff National Park offers countless outdoor activities, from hiking and skiing to soaking in the Banff Upper Hot Springs. Whether you're exploring the scenic Bow River or taking a gondola ride up Sulphur Mountain, Banff is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Next, we travel to Quebec's Magog, a village that boasts a unique blend of European charm and natural beauty. Located on the shores of Lake Memphremagog, Magog is famous for its vibrant art scene and stunning landscapes. The village features beautifully preserved historic buildings, quaint boutiques, and delightful eateries. Visitors can stroll along the picturesque waterfront, enjoy a boat tour on the lake, or explore the nearby Mount Orford National Park for hiking and skiing. Magog's charming atmosphere and cultural richness make it a must-visit destination. Our third stop is Lunenburg, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Nova Scotia. This colorful fishing village is renowned for its well-preserved colonial architecture and vibrant waterfront. The strikingly painted buildings reflect Lunenburg's rich maritime history, and the village is home to the famous Blue Nose 2, a replica of the historic racing schooner. Visitors can wander through the narrow streets, visit the Fisheries Museum of the Atlantic, or enjoy fresh seafood at local restaurants. The stunning coastal views and friendly community make Lunenburg a delightful place to explore. Coming in at number 4 is Tofino, located on Vancouver Island in British Columbia. This small village is a haven for surfers, nature enthusiasts, and those seeking tranquility. Tofino is surrounded by lush rainforests and breathtaking beaches, offering a unique coastal experience. Visitors can surf the waves at Long Beach, explore the Pacific Rim National Park Reserve, or take a whale-watching tour. The village itself is filled with charming shops, art galleries, and delicious eateries, making it the perfect spot for a relaxing getaway. Next, we head to St. Andrews by the Sea, a charming village in New Brunswick. Known for its stunning coastal scenery and rich history, St. Andrews is a delightful destination for travelers. The village features beautifully preserved historic buildings, including the iconic Algonquin Resort. Visitors can stroll along the waterfront, explore the charming streets filled with shops and galleries, or take a boat tour to spot seals and other marine life. Andrews is also home to the stunning Kingsbrae Garden, a beautifully landscaped garden that offers a peaceful retreat. At number 6, we find Glenwood, a hidden gem in Alberta. This quaint village is surrounded by breathtaking scenery, including rolling hills and serene lakes. Glenwood is known for its friendly community and a slower pace of life, making it an ideal destination for those looking to escape the chaos of urban living. Visitors can enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, and bird watching in the nearby parks and natural reserves. The village's charming atmosphere and stunning landscapes make it a perfect spot for a peaceful retreat. 7th on our list is Niagara-on-the-Lake, a picturesque village in Ontario. Known for its stunning gardens, historic architecture, and vibrant art scene, this village is a popular destination for tourists. Visitors can explore the charming streets lined with boutiques, wineries, and theaters. The Shaw Festival, a renowned theater festival, draws visitors from around the world. Additionally, the village's proximity to the Niagara Falls makes it an ideal base for exploring one of nature's most awe-inspiring wonders. Niagara-on-the-Lake is a perfect blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Next, we travel to Bamfield, a remote village on Vancouver Island's west coast. This hidden gem is known for its stunning natural beauty and rich Indigenous culture. Surrounded by lush forests and pristine waters, Bamfield is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Visitors can explore the nearby Broken Group Islands, go kayaking, or hike along the West Coast Trail. The village itself offers a unique glimpse into coastal life, with charming cottages and a laid-back atmosphere. Bamfield is perfect for those seeking adventure and tranquility in a breathtaking setting. At number 9, we find Elora, a charming village in Ontario known for its stunning gorge and vibrant arts community. The Elora Gorge offers breathtaking views and outdoor activities such as tubing and hiking. The village is filled with historic buildings, artisan shops, and delightful cafes. Visitors can explore the Elora Mill, a beautifully restored historic site, or attend one of the many cultural events held throughout the year. Elora's picturesque landscapes and artistic vibe make it a delightful destination for travelers. Finally, we conclude our journey with Wellington, a quaint village in Prince Edward County. Known for its stunning waterfront and thriving wine region, Wellington is a hidden gem that offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Visitors can explore the local wineries, enjoy fresh farm-to-table cuisine, or relax on the sandy beaches of Lake Ontario. The village's charming streets are lined with boutique shops and art galleries, making it a delightful place to wander and explore. There you have it, our top 10 beautiful villages in Canada. Each of these destinations offers its own unique charm and breathtaking landscapes, making them perfect for your next getaway. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a taste of local culture, these villages are sure to leave you enchanted. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.